First of all, let's download the free VS Code from their website. Here I'm picking the zip version of the 64-bit Windows 10. Simply extract VS Code zip to your download folder. And copy that to wherever you want. Here I'm just putting it inside program files. Now you can open up VS Code for further setup. You need two extensions, so simply hit Ctrl-Shift-X and look up for shader language support for VS Code. Install it and restart VS Code. Then reopen VS Code and look for the second extension, which is GLSL Canvas. Install it and restart VS Code. Reopen again. Open a new folder. And then create a new frag file. Now, pretend that you start coding on the frag file. You can copy codes from web. When you're ready to run your code, Ctrl-Shift-P and select Show GLSL Canvas. Then you should be able to see the result. Play around with your code and start learning. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.